G'day and welcome back to another episode, and we are going to cook up some damper. We're going to go with some oats, coconut and honey damper. Got the fire at the back of me here just prepping for the coals for me, and I've got the camp oven there ready to go as well. So we'll just start with the dry ingredients first, and let's get cracking. So we'll lead off with the plain flour. No measurements, just put it in to what you reckon. Self-raising, about the same. So with the oats, I'm going to put most of that in. I want to leave a little bit to put on top of the bread or the damper once we finish. So coconut, just some shredded coconut, put that in there and just give it a bit of a dry mix. Some more milk in there. So you want to knead it so it all comes together. It's looking pretty good there now. So I'm going to put some honey in there. And you want a good dollop. I kept it out of the fridge so it's quite pliable. And again, just mix it in, mix it all through. You shape it to fit your tin. I reckon that looks pretty good, doesn't it? Pop that in there. And like I said before, the leftover oats. And the same with the coconut. And then I reckon one more thing would be to just drizzle some honey over. Just like that. Now what we've got to do is just wait for the coals to, like I said, heat up, and we'll put it in the coals for about 15 minutes, I reckon. Right, it's been about 20 minutes, so we're going to get the lid off and we'll have a look at it. Alright, should be cool enough to handle. Oh, just pops straight out, look at that. It still feels pretty heavy. Hopefully it's cooked right through. Let's have a look. That's not bad. If I get it in my mouth, that's pretty good. You can see a little bit doughy in the middle there, so I could go a little bit longer, but that's pretty good. So that's it for another video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, please subscribe, and I'll definitely catch you on the next one. See ya.